Move-in ready. Awesome new home on in Brittney Trace subdivision. Prince Vickery floor plan. This is a 3-bedroom with finished flex/4th bedroom, 2-bath and 2-car garage home. Vaulted ceilings in family room, breakfast area, master bedroom and master bath. Fireplace in family room and outside on game day porch. Great for entertaining. Master bedroom has walk-in closet, master bath has double vanity, garden tub and separate oversized shower. This is a quality built new home by Castle Home Builders and comes with a 10-year warranty. USDA territory.